Dustin Marcos was at it again. He bought $250 million, a larger position in Asana. He's the CEO and president. Bought it on December 1st. Dustin bought it right here at $100. You can see where he thought that he had support. He did not, and the next 2 days it just went down. I would trade. This is something that I would look at trading at about 75, 78-ish. I think you can get long in. That's where I would start buying again. Next up is RFP, Resolute Forest Products. Doesn't sound very sexy, but Davis Dunham, director, bought on December 1st. He bought $39,000, a larger share. It's a lot of money to him. You can see where the director bought right about here. He's up about 40 cents in this trade. I like this stock. In fact, the technicals say buy, the super trend says don't buy. But I actually like this stock. This stock's been going sideways and not being hit. So it's showing relatively good strength. I'd probably get longer. You can probably start adding, I think, at about 1240 and get far longer at, let's go up to about 1450. 1450 is where I get real long. So F45 Training Holdings, this is Mark Wahlberg, the one that he's trying to get a master franchise E on it. FXLV is the ticker, bought on November 29th by a director. All new buy, by the way, 146,000 shares for $1.5 million first buy. This is FXLV. You can see right here, they bought as a base. It just went public just before August here. It just went public. They must know something of why they're buying down here. They must think this is the bottom for them. I will say the super trend is a sell and the technicals is also a sell. Next up is Paycor HCM. PYCR is the ticker. It was bought on December 1st by the CEO. He bought 25,000 shares, a $17,000 larger position for $733,000 larger position. Stock goes live in July, pumps, and then just been going sideways. It's had some relative strength versus all these other stocks that have really dropped off lately. They bought right here, so the stock is not basing, but it's definitely in a sideways movement here. The super trend says sell, the technical say sell, but so why would they be buying here? Well, here's how I play it. I think that you can start to nibble here about 32.90. Well, let's call it 33. And then you can get long right around 36. You get real long at 36. Watch the volume on this one too.